Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about crypto taxes, and I'll clearly tell who should pay and who should not pay crypto taxes, and I'm going to clear all your doubts, okay? So watch the video without skipping. Guys, 31st July is the last date to file your income tax. Now, how to file your taxes and what are the things that you should consider? Okay, now the first scenario is, let's assume that you're a long-term investor and you invested a lot of money into crypto and you're not selling it for another 2 years, 5 years, 10 years or even 50 years time. So until you sell your crypto, you don't have to pay crypto taxes. You haven't booked your profit, right? So until you sell and book profit, how will you calculate the crypto tax? You can't. So until you sell, you don't have to pay any crypto taxes. Okay, now the next scenario is let's assume that you invested 1 lakh rupees last year and this year it went all the way up to 1.5 lakh rupees. Now let's assume that you sold your crypto here. So 1 lakh rupees is the investment and 50,000 rupees is the profit. So for this 50,000 rupees profit, you should pay crypto taxes. Okay, now for this, when you should pay the crypto taxes? Now let's assume that you took this 1.5 lakh rupee and you kept on reinvesting on some other coin and you're continuously trading. And if you keep these funds on exchange itself, then you don't have to pay any taxes. Okay, now let's assume that with this 1.5 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees is the investment and 50,000 rupees is the profit, and you continuously kept on trading on the exchange itself for 1 year, and you made around 5 lakh rupees in total. And if you withdraw this 5 lakh rupees to your bank account, then you should pay the crypto taxes for that 4 lakh rupees profit. And initially you started with 1 lakh rupees investment, right? So for that 1 lakh rupee, you don't have to pay any taxes. Only for the profit which you make in crypto, you should pay 30% flat tax. So for this 4 lakh rupees profit, you should pay 1.2 lakh rupees as tax. So remember, only if you withdraw money from exchanges to your bank account, then at any cost, you should pay taxes. In case if your funds are on exchanges, then don't worry. Okay, now the next scenario is, let's assume that you invested 1 lakh rupee last year. And this year, your portfolio has gone down and let's assume that it's at 80,000 rupees something. Now, in case if you sell this 80,000 rupees, then here you haven't made any profits, right? So in this case, you don't have to pay any taxes. Now, one more thing, some people might be thinking that if you keep your crypto on international exchanges, then you don't need to pay any taxes and the government will not know anything. Guys, being a responsible citizen of this country, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, no matter where you keep your crypto, you should pay taxes on your profit. And yes, in case if you are using an international exchange or wallet, then yes, government will not know like how much crypto you have or how much profit you have made, and they don't deduct TDS also. So being a responsible citizen, you should file your taxes and you should disclose like how much profit you made in crypto, and you should pay according to that. And one more thing, in case if you are using Indian exchanges, then remember that government already has your data, and this 1% TDS that they deduct every time when you trade, you can claim that when you file your IT returns. So if you withdraw money from Indian exchanges or international exchanges to your bank account, file your taxes. It's important. Guys, even though if you're eligible or not eligible to pay taxes, that doesn't matter. So immediately just find a CA or auditor who's near to you, take an appointment and provide all the details like your bank statement, crypto transactions PDF or whatever they ask you, and they will file your taxes for you. For you it might look it's complicated, but for them it's a piece of cake. So they'll hardly charge like a few thousand rupees, guys. So pay that and file your taxes, okay? Okay, now how to get your profit and loss crypto transactions PDF. Guys, almost all exchanges have started giving the tax calculation tool. So use that and collect your tax data. Now I'm going to clear one more important thing. Those people who have invested in crypto like 5,000 rupees, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupee, 10 lakh rupee, 50 lakh rupee, 1 crore rupee or maybe even more. So if they haven't made any profits in crypto, then you don't have to pay any taxes. And guys, I'm getting messages where people who have made like 500 rupees profit or 1,000 rupees profit, they're literally breaking the head. Just cool down, guys. The income tax department will not come to your house and knock on your door, okay? So just stay calm. And I have to mention one more important thing. Guys, you have to pay flat 30% tax under new special taxation rule of U bar S 115BBH section. And one more negative point in this is you cannot set off profit with your losses. So what is the meaning of this? Assume that you invested 1 lakh rupee on Bitcoin and 1 lakh rupee on Ethereum, and also assume that the price of BTC went up and your 1 lakh rupee turned into 1.5 lakh rupee, and Ethereum's price came down from 1 lakh to 50,000 rupees. So BTC made 50,000 rupees profit and Ethereum made 50,000 rupees loss. So here you cannot set off losses with your profit, okay? you have to pay flat 30% tax for that 50,000 rupees profit which you made on Bitcoin. So you can't tell the government like I made 50,000 rupees here and I lost 50,000 rupees on Ethereum and you don't have to pay anything. You can't tell that. You have to pay taxes for that 50,000 rupees profit which you made on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to tell you one more important thing. Okay, so listen. Assume that you invested 1 lakh rupee in crypto and 1 lakh rupee on some business, and after some time, your crypto made 1 lakh rupee in profit. So your investment is 1 lakh rupee and your profit is 1 lakh rupee. So total 2 lakh rupees. And also assume that your business failed miserably and you lost everything here. So here you have 2 lakh rupees. Initially your investment was 2 lakh rupees. Here you lost the money. So you can't tell the government like, please set off these losses here in crypto and you don't have to pay any taxes. No, you cannot tell that. You have to pay taxes for this 1 lakh rupee profit which you made in crypto. Guys, remember, if you're trading and making profits in crypto, then you should pay taxes, okay? There's no other way to escape these taxes. So at the end of the day, if you have invested in crypto and if you have made any profits, then you should pay taxes. So file your taxes before 31st July, which is this month. And I know that many of you will be having so many questions regarding this tax issue. So just drop that questions in the comment section down below. Okay, I'm gonna answer that, and I'm gonna be updating a few tax things on my Telegram channel also. Okay, so in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then make sure you follow me there. The links to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. And guys, please do drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, in case if you're unsubscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.